There were also power lines down all across the city, leaving thousands of people without electricity for at least some part of the day. One of those down lines actually sparked up a brush fire. Nicole Hernandez took a look at that damage today.
So we're at 8th and Carnahan right now, and you can see a huge tree fell right behind me here from this person's backyard, completely uprooted. And if you move this way, you can see just how big this tree actually is compared to the size of my hand. Crews were able to cut it off here, but it actually fell all the way across the street, blocking the street off from traffic, and actually hit a power line on the other side too. Neighbors say they were without power when this tree fell, but crews were able to come out and cut through the tree at this point and on the other side and get some of that debris moved off to the side here, so at least traffic is flowing. But we're seeing this kind of damage across the Spokane area. Of course, here at 8th and Carnahan, we also saw damage at 16th and Perry, where 2 trees fell, one across the road and one over 2 different houses. Another tree down at Ash and Rowan as well. So a lot of different damage from this windstorm yesterday. In Spokane, Nicole Hernandez, KREM 2 News.